Now this is actually a geography, a geometry problem. It's actually you have to develop a formula or an equation for the line. Okay, so see, we know that linear equations in two variable will have a solution. Okay, so this is sort of like this. We have to find a linear equation in two variable which can satisfy both of these uh, answers, and that can be done by using a simple formula. The formula of line. The formula of line is x minus x1 by y minus y1 is equal to x2 minus x1 by y2 minus y1. You can also reverse it like the y terms can come up, x terms can come down. It doesn't matter. Now you simply put the values which we know. See, I will call the first guy as x1 y1 and the second guy as x2 y2. So if I put that value, that basically means x1 y1, I am calling it x1 is minus 1, y1 is minus 1, x2 y2, that is 2 and 5. If I replace that value, I will get the equation directly. X minus, what is x1? Minus 1 by y minus 1 is equal to x2 is 2 minus of minus 1 by 5 minus of minus 1. Now these minuses will go inside and make them plus. So you are going to get the value x plus 1 by y plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 1, and that is x plus 1 by y plus 1 is equal to 3 by 6. You can even simplify this. Divide both sides by 3, you will get 1 by 2. You can cross multiply if needed, but even that, yeah, let's do it anyway. Anyway, we will still there. So that is taking this 2 to the other side and taking this value to the other side, you will get 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 1 times y plus 1, and that is 2x plus 2 is equal to y plus 1. Or if I take this 1 to this side, I will get 2x plus 2 minus 1 is equal to y, or 2x plus 1 equal to y. So this is the equation, linear equation two variable which satisfy those 2 points. Any other point which is going to come in the same line should satisfy this equation. So 2x plus 1 is equal to y. That's our equation. What's our equation? 2x, let me erase this thing. 2x plus 1 is equal to y. Now there are too many values. You simply have to substitute any value, and let's see what's going to happen. I am going to substitute this value because every other values need some calculation. Here, let's try to put x as 200. Sorry, x as 100. X into 100 plus 1. So that is 200 plus 1. Oh, that itself is y. I was looking for the value of y. Okay, and I found instead of x, I replaced the value of x and I got this value as 200. So that itself is answer. I substituted this just because that was easy to calculate. So this is our answer which satisfies this equation. Now let's check a wrong answer also. What if I am selecting this value? So I can write the same equation as y is equal to 2x plus 1, right? So if we have the x is 30, so if I put 2 into 30 plus 1, that is 60 plus 1 or 61. Y should be 61, but here it is 41, so that is wrong. So this is not the answer. So only both the values will match if you substitute it in this equation. You will only get one thing which matches. So answer will become C. So just remember this formula. And how to remember this formula? Just look at this. It's basically x minus x, y minus y, y minus y. And you simply have to look at this scenario where here I am using a variable x. I am not going to replace. That is going to come in the same place. x2 and y2 are going to come in the same place. x1 and y1 will come in the same place. x1 and y1 will come in the same place. In this place, you can even put x2 by y2. That is totally fine. Like here I can put x2, here I can put y2. That is totally fine. In a systematic way, this is what we do. What we do is that you put x1 and y1 here, x1 and y1 here, and then you put x2 and y2 here, and that's it. Minus. That's it, guys. That is the equation of a line. So, thank you.